Oh, are we on? Oh goodness, what? I need someone to put my phone though. Can you give me a hand?
Sure.
What?
Ah, wow.
That works perfectly. If you want to make your own handstand, stay tuned because we're going to show you how to make a concrete phone stand. We'll be using Quikrete mortar mix, a plastic glove, a bowl, and some water. We poured some Quikrete into our bowl and added water a little at a time. The goal is brownie-like consistency. Then I held open a plastic glove as Mom filled it with the Quikrete. I made sure to bounce it around to get the mix into all the fingers. Once the glove was filled, I propped it against a can of stain. Then I used a small wood filler container to make an indentation where the phone will sit. These are just random things that we found around a workshop, but a lot of different items could be used to make the impression. Then I put a weight on the front to hold the container in place. We let this cure for 24 hours. Then we carefully remove the glove from around the hand. You can see by the dark color that it still has a fair amount of moisture inside. This will continue to cure over the next few days and will get lighter in appearance. And here it is with the second one we made, complete with our phones in place. Here you can see we actually made two different varieties. One, I actually put gold in the spots that kind of were for imperfections, and I think it adds a nice, cool little look to it. This one we just kept completely the concrete color, but you could paint the whole thing, you could do what we did here, really make it your own.
You can really customize these for however you want. You can change the positions of the fingers, depending on what you put behind it or in front, that will change the indentations it has. So you can really customize it for how you want it to look.
We want to thank Quikrete for sponsoring today's project. We used the Quikrete countertop mix for this hand, and for this hand we used the Quikrete mortar mix. So there's a lot of different varieties that you can use for this project. Whatever Quikrete's in your store should work.
For more projects like this, you can find us at motherdaughterprojects.com.
See you next time.
Bye.